my name is Kaya, and I'm doing a video on my auntie channel. Y'all, I hope she don't post that. I hope she don't. But y'all just like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. Click the notification bell. And thank y'all so much.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Koya Renee, and I am back with another video. Today my niece will be doing my makeup today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tell them your name and how old you are.
My name is Kaya, and I'm 9 years old.
Alright, so we're gonna get started, y'all. We're just gonna hop right into the video. So let's go. Y'all, so we're gonna get started with the brows. We're gonna see what she can do.
Okay.
Did you dip it in this?
No.
Okay, you gotta brush it out. Okay. Okay. Tell them what you're doing. This is a tutorial. You gotta tell them what you're finna do.
Now I'm finna use the Magic Constellation 24 hours long lasting eyebrow gel. She's saying, guys, she is ugly.
Okay, push. It's okay.
Hey guys, I'm Babe. So now I'm gonna brush it out now, and as you can see, I use that Magic Constellation thing that lasts 24 hours.
I look so ratchet in this video, y'all. I'm gonna do my hair a wash day video for you all. Okay, Devin, what you think? You like my brows? Devin, you like my brows? You said what?
No comprehende.
Do you like my brows?
No el comprehende.
Devin, I'm not sure what that means.
This one is debo.
Yeah, I'm using a different background today. What y'all think? Y'all like the furry background? Let me know in the comment section if y'all like the furry background. Davin said he don't like it, y'all. I'm gonna film a video with Davin, y'all. Hopefully, if he don't make me mad, I'm gonna film a video with him. He's so ratchet, y'all. Y'all hear him in the background?
Put me in there.
Be ratchet. And I wish Pooh cut his thing now. Oh! Did she jump? Yeah. You jumped.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. I think she did real good foundation. We're setting, y'all. You think you're doing good? Powder. This powder. Front of my eyes, you can dust it away.
Your face.
What you tell me? What highlighting is, Kaya?
So highlighter is when you put it right there at the end, right there, and it glows up your face and make your face pop.
It make your face pop. Okay.
This color right here
Okay.
and this color right here.
Okay.
These
that one
two
kinda
bottom
broke,
colors.
but okay.
These two bottom colors right here.
You gonna mix it?
This light one.
Okay. See that highlight coming through, okay. Come through highlight. Almost finished, y'all. We almost finished. You tired? MUA.
Yeah.
How much you charge?
$80.
You expensive makeup first. So when you set your makeup, Kaya.
Spray it around your face.
Yeah, you spray it. Okay, go ahead. Okay, it's just gonna melt. It's gonna melt. Is this the finished look?
Yep.
Okay, y'all, we are all done. Kaya, get in the camera. Y'all, we are all done. This is the finished beat, honey. And she said she charged how much?
80.
She charges $80, y'all. So if you're looking for an MUA in Atlanta who's 9 years old, get it, Kaya. Kaya, how they can contact you, girl?
From my auntie.
She said contact her from me, y'all. Okay, y'all. Y'all ain't got this pink lip on, y'all. This orange makeup. Okay, it's something different, but alright, y'all. So that's it, honey. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.